Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and this is a monthly tarot card reading for the sign Cancer for October 2021. So these are general reading Cancerians. These may or may not resonate with all of you. However, if they do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear some feedback from you as well. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for the daily and monthly readings. Also, check out your daily tarot reading videos as well. I'll be posting a link just here in the video somewhere. So you can go and absolutely have a look at that playlist as well. So let's get started. Cancer. I'm pulling one overall outcome card for you as well. Also, at the end of the video, I'll be doing one yes or a no question as well. So do stick around till the end of the video, and while we are going through your reading, if you have a question where you seek an answer of yes or a no, keep that also in mind. Okay, the overall energy for the reading is 10 of Raphael. Let me just pull up one oracle energy card for you, and then we'll get into the deeper messages for you. Okay, you've got the yin and yang energy. Okay, Cancerians, so let's get started. So in your recent past, you've got the Eight of Wands. Now, Eight of Wands is a beginning of something new, something that you were waiting for to start off with, that is coming your way. Now, Eight of Wands could also represent that you're starting something new in your personal life or in your career and job point of view as well. Most of you could be starting with a new project in your job or some new project in your business as well. Eight of Wands could also mean that it is the new beginning for your relationships as well. So something that you were waiting for, something that you have asked for is now getting delivered. That those wands are now ready to touch the ground. So it is the last part where you are, or last phase where you are in that waiting period. Things will start getting into actualization, or things will start getting realized very soon. In your current energies, you've got the Sun and the King of Wands as well. So definitely with the Sun card, a major arcana card, your current energies are supporting you for an absolute new beginning, new positive beginnings rather, which will bring in a lot of happiness and fulfillments as well in your life. Some of you could be starting off with a new business venture, some of you could be starting off with a new relationship as well. If you are already in a relationship, this could mean that this is the time that you're taking your relationship to the next level and or expanding your family as well. The Sun usually represents a new beginning, a new welcoming family member as well. With the King of Wands energy over here, I feel that for most of you, it is a new beginning where you will be encountering masculine energy, which has the power of authority, but it is at the same time that person is very creative as well. I'm just gonna clarify the King of Wands, why the King of Wands is here with Sun. Let's understand what it is, if it is a person that is coming to your life or it is the situation that you are in right now. Let's just clarify that. Okay, so King of Wands is clarified with Queen of Pentacles, so definitely a person that is coming your way, Cancerians. Now this person could be a love interest as well for most of you, but this person could also be a mentor, guide, in your business point of view as well, who is equally creative, who is experienced, who's using their intellectual power to guide you. So don't hesitate to seek out for additional help from your seniors, from your mentors, or from your colleagues as well, who could, you know, be a very pivotal point for you to take decisions for your new beginnings that are coming for you. And because it got clarified with Queen of Pentacles, I feel that it is more related to your career, business and financial point of view rather than more of a relationship point of view, but it could resonate in both ways, so take what resonates with you. In your recent future, you got another major arcana card, that's the Judgment card. Now, Judgment card, if you see in the major arcana, it usually is just before the Sun card, that's a new beginning card. So it more represents that it's the judgment day for you. All your good work that you have put in the past is now going to reap you benefits, will bring you success. It's a card of transformation. So most of you might be already feeling the change that is coming your way, and you're already ready for the new transformation that are coming your way as well. So overall a change is there, which is a very positive change, and it's a very subtle change that is coming your way. That change is going to lead you to success as well, and you are actually preparing yourself a lot for this change since last couple of years. Probably you've done a lot of hard work, you've put in a lot of efforts to ensure that the change that you'll be experiencing right now is something that you have worked for, and whatever efforts that you have put in is actually showing up, is actually coming to reality now. So the Judgment card is all about the transformation and the change that is a result of your past efforts, that's definitely showing up. In your overall environment, you've got the Ace of Wands, so again a card of a new beginning for sure, and Ace of Wands usually represents a new beginning from the career point of view, from the intellectual point of view as well. So most of you would be taking up new responsibilities in your business or job point of view, or you could be diversifying more into a more strategic role as well, where you have to apply a lot of your creativity as well as your intelligence coming into picture. These new beginnings could also reflect with your overall relationships as well, or family life as well, where there are new people coming into your life who are going to be more creative, who are going to be more intellectual, and who are going to be a guiding star for you as well. So look out for those people, those new energies that are coming your way, which is actually going to bring you that happiness and that wish fulfillment. And in your hopes and fears, you again have a very positive, hopeful card. You've got the Star. So Star is a card of all the wish fulfillments. You actually have the ability to conquer all the worlds, whether it is this world or your spiritual world. So Star is a card of wish fulfillment, so definitely there are wish fulfillments that are coming your way, whatever, with the Judgment card and the Star card being present and the Sun card being present in the same reading. These three major arcana cards talks about a positive change that is on the horizon, which is something that you have already worked for. So it is not something sudden or unexpected change. It is something that you wished for. It is something that you really worked hard for. So be it your relationships that you were trying to mend, or some relationship that you wanted to happen are now going to happen for you, or if it is a business or a financial or a career point of view, something that you have actually worked for to achieve is on the cards now, and those things are getting realized for you as well. The overall energy or the final outcome of this reading, we've got the 10 of Raphael. Now 10 of Raphael has a message that love and blessings fill your life, harmonious relationships with family members, and happily ever after. So definitely, Cancerians, if you're looking for that happily ever after and you've been waiting for it, you've been doing a lot of self work to ensure that these happily ever after actually gets realized, then this is the time. October is the month where all these realizations are going to happen for you. Everything is going to fall into place, so don't worry. All the positive cards have come out, so definitely October month for you, Cancerian, is going to be an absolutely fabulous month, and the overall energy card that we have pulled is the Yin and Yang. So Yin and Yang energy card represents both masculine and feminine energies, and the balance of these energies as well. So this card actually represents an energetic life cycle, and its purpose is to help you identify the particular cyclic energy moving into or out of your experience. So you need to figure out if there is a repeated pattern over there, and only you know the answer how to break those patterns, because if you're wishing for a different outcome, then you have to take different actions as well. This is the time of a great receptivity, intuition, and gestation. External circumstances may be forcing you to go within and examine your present activity, and it's an especially good time for completion and to wrap up things. You can wrap up things a little faster with this energy coming into picture. The yin cycle is usually a cycle of a lot of actions that are going to happen for you. So you will see a lot of movements, a lot of forward movements that are coming into your life. A lot of things that were stalling, or that were held up for where you were not able to probably make a decision, or somebody else was not able to probably make a decision for you. Things are going to roll up super fast, because this is the month of actions for you, and you will start seeing those results immediately in the month of October. So overall, a very good reading, Cancerians. If this reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. I would really appreciate your feedbacks and positive encouragement as well. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. There are also daily reading videos that I'll be publishing. The link would be given at the end of the video for the playlist. You can always go ahead and check out those readings as well. Let me just quickly pull a yes or a no question for you, Cancerians. So go ahead, if you want to pause the video for some time and meditate and think about a question that you seek an answer to as yes or a no. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, Three of Cups. Yes, definitely yes, yes, and yes. There is a celebration energy that is coming your way. So whatever question you have asked, the answer to that question is yes. Whatever decision you were going to make, the answer to that question is yes, because these decisions are going to lead you to the celebration energies. These decisions are going to help you, catch up with your friends and have fun time as well. So yes, definitely the answer to the question is yes. That's all from my end, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for eagerly listening to me as well. You guys have a happy October. Thank you. Bye bye.